Welcome to our channel Zenith Institute. And today we are going to cover the topic accents in French. So many students ask me what are these signs in French and when to use and how to use it. So let me tell you this, guys. Accents are the part of the spelling in French. So are pre-decided. Whether a word will have accent or not, this is not your choice, but it is a part of spelling and you have to remember it. And second, missing an accent is called as a spelling mistake. It's considered as a spelling mistake. So it's not your choice, but it is mandatory to write with that. So you have to remember that you have to memorize the spelling with their accents. Now let's begin. How many accents are there? So there are five accents are there in French. Okay. The first accent we call it aigu, accent aigu, which goes with letter E, only with letter E. And we make the sign like this, just above E, you have to just make a sign, forward sign. Okay. The next accent is accent grave. Accent graph goes with three letters. Those are U, A, E, and U. And you have to just make a backward sign, just opposite to this. Okay? And the next accent is called circumflex. Circumflex. Circumflex sign is this. You can see circumflex. In day-to-day life, they don't use the word circumflex to refer this sound, but they use chapeau word. Chapeau. It's the same accent actually. Okay, we just make like this the sound. And for I, that dot for I, we have to drop it while making this while writing this accent. The next accent is tremor. Tremor. It goes with letter E and I. We have to just put double dot on this. Okay, sometimes it is called umlaut also. And the last accent is severe. So before that, we see that all the accents went with the vowel, and E is common to all. Now the last accent is called severe, which goes with the letter C, and we make the sign. Either some people write C and beneath C just write small s or something like this. If you know Hindi, the sign for store, and in books you will get this kind of sign. These all are the same accent. And the role of this accent is whenever you will see C, alphabet C with this sign, you have to pronounce this sir. Sir as in sun. Sir sound. And for Hindi speakers, it's very easy to understand sir. We say in a sir. Okay? So this is the significance of this particular accent. So these are the accents we use for uh, French, to write French or to understand French. It is part of their spelling and you have to remember it. There is no choice. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, Zenith Institute. Thank you.